Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maureen. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I do have a little Dior haul for you guys. So I'm excited, so let's just get right into it. I've been loving the new styles from Jonathan Anderson, and just Dior's beautiful bags that they've been coming out with have been absolutely stunning, feminine, gorgeous, but they're also been very hard to get your hands on. So there's been several that I've loved and wanted to get my hands on, whether it came from shoes, whether it came from handbags, a lot of different items that I have not been able to get my hands on. But I did happen to go into a Dior when they had done the drop, and it was that next day that it was in stores, and I saw this beautiful bag that I'm about to show you guys. So this is the small book tote, and I loved the bright green on the inside, just as well as all the beautiful colors. I thought it was absolutely stunning. This kind of canvas-y material. I just love the way they've had so many of their designs with this type of look, and just the beautiful bow on it as well. I've just been loving everything from Dior recently, and so when I saw this in stores, I was stunned because my store in particular is inside of a Saks, and so it is like a smaller collection of bags that they have, so they don't always get a lot of the specialty ones. So when I saw this, I was so surprised. They also had the larger size earlier in the day, but it already had sold, and so they'd only had this one and the large one, and that was it in the store. So I kind of debated, because I was going to be coming back the next day or so, about picking up this bag, but I also knew if I did wait, I probably would not be able to get my hands on it, and that it would sell out, because I know how well all of their bags have just been flying off the shelves recently. So I'm very glad that I did pick it up. It was the last one in the store, and then when I checked later on that evening online, it was completely sold out, and at least when I'm filming it, it is not restocked. So like I said, if you're seeing certain specialty items from Dior online right now or in store and you really want it, I would probably suggest getting it when you see it, because it is not going to be likely that you're going to be able to get it. So this is what it looks like up close. And so it does have that beautiful like tan background, and then these beautiful flowers. So the whites, the kind of like periwinkly blues, and the greens. I thought this was a stunning bag that had so much that could go with it. And so like I said, this is the small size, and it does come with a strap as well. So you don't just have the small handles, but you can also turn it into a crossbody. So this is the strap that comes with it, and then you just attach it, and it looks like this. So it's such a versatile, practical bag, but I just love how different it is, and what they're coming out with has just been absolutely stunning. And so with this bag, I'll kind of do like what you can fit into it. I could definitely fit a regular size wallet, whatever size wallet you have, there's more than likely you will be able to fit it in here. I do love that it has a zipper compartment, so you can put that to good use, and then two smaller pockets on the inside, and then I can fit my phone, this camera, my G7X in here, keys, lip products, and even put in sunglasses, etc. And so that would probably be the scope of what I could fit into this bag, which is more than enough for an everyday bag for me. But I do love that it is on the smaller side, so it just goes well with a lot of different outfits that I have. Very excited for this pattern. They also have matching shoes. I did not pick those up, but that's something to keep in mind as well. But I do have a lot of shoes that could go with this, such as the tan beige background, whites, greens, blues. So very excited. But I thought I would also do, if you're thinking about size comparison, show you I do have another Dior book tote, but I have it in the medium size, so I'll just do a little size comparison for you guys. And so this is the medium size. I do kind of have a beautiful ribbon that goes with it, and this also has the leather siding. It also has the crossbody strap, has the inside zipper and pockets, so it fits a lot in here, as much as I was saying for the other, which is the small size. So here's kind of the size comparison here, quite a bit different in size. And then there's also a large book tote, which is even bigger than this, so you could almost use that like as a weekender bag if you were traveling, if you will. I've seen people that have done that. You can fit quite a bit into this. Like I was saying, what I had saved earlier for the small bag, probably even fit like a water bottle in here, although I don't typically like to put water bottles in any of my like purses, things like that. You could probably, if you wanted to, fit like a makeup or toiletry bag in here as well, if you kind of needed that for touch-ups, for something to hold a lot more in it. And then this also has where you can put typically like your initials, things like that. You can put that there. But I just wanted to show you guys the size comparison of the small and the medium tote. Like I said, I don't have the large tote, but I thought that might be helpful for you guys if you're deciding what book tote you might be wanting to get. So that is everything from this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I absolutely love this bag. I'm loving everything that Dior has been coming out with recently, so I'll definitely be doing some more Dior hauls in the near future. I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching again. Please like this video, comment down below what is your dream Dior bag, or what Dior bags do you currently have that you absolutely love, and make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.